Welcome to the top best. The best T522W bulb is probably one of the most versatile and energy-efficient lighting solutions available today, offering a bright and clear illumination perfect for a wide range of applications, from home offices and workshops to retail displays and accent lighting, making it a go-to choice for those seeking both performance and cost savings in their lighting fixtures. Number 5. Technical Precision 22W T5 Circular Fluorescent Bulb. Introducing a powerful 22-watt T5 circular fluorescent bulb. It's designed to provide excellent illumination for your needs. This bulb is an ideal replacement for your existing lighting. Ensure your Fluorescent fixtures continue to shine brightly. Experience efficient lighting with this T5 circular bulb. It's built for performance and longevity. Enjoy clear and crisp light quality that enhances any environment. It's designed to meet your lighting expectations. Replacing your old bulb is easy with this unit. Simply install it and enjoy the renewed brightness. This 22-watt bulb offers reliable and consistent illumination. It's a great choice for maintaining optimal lighting conditions. What we like. This bulb is designed as a direct replacement. If you have a Fluorescent mirror and need a simple, no-fuss replacement, this is the one to go for. It ensures compatibility and ease of use for your specific Fluorescent fixture. What people say. Fits perfectly my Zadro makeup mirror. Light was the right fit and easy to install. Brightness was great, just like the original. The bulb fits perfectly and is working great. Some of the non-Fluorescent bulbs looked like the connection was different. Number 4. Zadro 7-inch Circular T5 Replacement Bulb. Introducing the Zadro 7-inch Circular T5 Replacement Bulb. Designed to provide soft white, 6400K light, it's perfect for illuminating your space. This 22-watt fluorescent bulb features an inward 4-pin connector. It's specifically designed as a replacement for Zadro mirror models Max 110, MAXT 110, and Max 2000. With a 7-inch outside diameter and a 6-inch inside ring diameter, it offers excellent coverage. Enjoy clear and consistent lighting for your daily routine. Please note the 4-pin connector is designed to face inward. When installing, do not twist the plastic base beyond 60 degrees to ensure proper function. For best results, check if your mirror's ballast is working correctly before installation. This will help prevent any potential issues and ensure your new bulb functions as expected. What we like. Experience a soft white light with a cool 6400K color temperature. If you're looking for a clean, bright illumination that's ideal for detailed tasks and makeup application, this is a great choice. It's specifically designed for certain Zadro models, ensuring a perfect fit. What people say. It is just as bright as the first light that came with the mirror. Easy to install, my original bulb lasted 6 years, hope to get same amount of time or longer. Love using this at night so I can see my dog out there, works great. Number 3. 7.25-inch T522W Circular Bulb Light Replacement. Upgrade your makeup mirror with this 7.25-inch circular bulb. It provides a bright 22W, 6500K daylight glow, perfect for detailed tasks. With 8T5 tube diameter and G10Q cap, this replacement is designed for a snug fit. Please confirm the bulb size before ordering to ensure compatibility. This bulb is compatible with a wide range of popular brands, including Fluorescent, Zadro, and Rialto vanity mirrors. Check our list for specific model numbers. The light tube is delicate, so handle it with care during installation. If it arrives damaged, please contact us for a replacement. For the best performance, ensure your mirror's ballast and starter are working correctly. A faulty ballast can affect the bulb's function. Experience true daylight with this 6500K bulb, offering clear and accurate lighting for your beauty routine. What we like. This bulb offers broad compatibility across multiple brands like Fluorescent, Zadro, and Rialto. If you need a versatile replacement that provides a bright 6500K daylight, this is an excellent option. Its slightly larger 7.25-inch diameter ensures it fits a range of popular vanity mirrors. What people say. It was very easy to install and works very good so far. The color or the bulb is daylight and very nice. Fit my Zadro mirror perfect. The lighting looks dull but the same like new, very bright, just like when I bought my mirror. Yes, I highly recommend. This worked perfectly for my magnifying mirror and as bright as the original. Number 2. Poweka T5-22W Circular Bulb. Introducing the Poweka T5-22W Circular Bulb, a perfect replacement for your magnifying vanity mirror. Ensure a clear and bright reflection every time. This 7-inch round bulb is designed to be compatible with popular brands like Fluorescent, Zadro, and Rialto. It's the ideal solution for many illuminated mirror models. Please note that this bulb requires a functioning electronic ballast to operate, which is not included. Verify your ballast is in good condition before installation to ensure it illuminates properly. This is a 22W circular fluorescent bulb with a 4-pin connector. Its 7-inch diameter and specific pin orientation ensure a secure fit in compatible fixtures. Specifically engineered for Zadro T5 22W mirrors that use a 7-inch diameter bulb, it offers a seamless replacement experience. Get your mirror lighting back to its best. Check our detailed list to see if this bulb fits your specific Fluorescent, Zadro, or Rialto illuminated mirror model. We've made it easy to find the right fit for your needs. What we like. With a 7-inch diameter and pins facing inward, this bulb is a precise fit for specific Zadro and Rialto models. If you have one of these particular vanity mirrors and need a bulb with an internal pin connection, this is your go-to. It ensures proper alignment and function for those specific fixtures. What people say. Fit perfect in my makeup mirror. Install easy, plugged right perfectly. Perfect replacement bulb for 17-year-old mirror. The light is very bright and I have had absolutely no issues with his bulb. Number 1. FC22T5 outside pins 22W circular fluorescent lamp. This 22-watt bulb provides bright, clear light. Its 7.25-inch diameter ensures broad coverage for your workspace. Featuring a T5 tube design, it's compact yet powerful. The 5/8-inch tube is efficient for its size. The 4-pin connector is designed to face outwards for simple connection. Installation is a breeze with its user-friendly design. The collar with the electrical connector swivels 25 degrees in either direction. This allows for easy adjustment and optimal positioning. Specifically designed for magnifying lamps, it offers the perfect light quality. Enhance your detailed work with this reliable bulb. What we like. The unique feature here is the 4-pin connector facing outwards, coupled with a swiveling collar for easier installation. If you've struggled with tight spaces or difficult installations on your 7.25-inch diameter magnifying lamp, this design makes the process much smoother. It's ideal for users who value convenience and a hassle-free setup. What people say. It works great. The lamp's voltage and fit of this bulb worked well in the base lamp I matched it with. The special bulb I ordered was promptly shipped and was the exact replacement for my magnifying lamp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.